how to export contacts in mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can export your contacts in mobile. So for that, I will simply click on contacts in mobile. Once you click on that, you guys will see on top right corner profile pic. Also on downside, you guys can see contacts highlight organize. So for exporting, I will simply click on organize. Once you guys click on organize, you guys will see Google Contacts sign accepting Mars and fixed reminders. Once you scroll to end, you guys will see import from file, export to file. So simply click on export to file. Once you click on export to file, you will select the Gmail. Now for example, I will select my first Gmail. After that, click on export. Once you click on export, it will be exported to contact.vcf. Once you click on save, your contacts will be exported and you guys can send that CVF file to another device, and after that you guys can import it to your another device. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.